We're here at Solar and Storage Live in London to meet with industry figures, to understand the developments in the market, and we'll bring those insights to you. Hi Richard, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you. Yourself?
Yeah, very, very good. So you're from Solaskirt,
Yep.
which is a British company that makes sort of bird-proofing products.
That's correct, yeah.
Tell us a little bit more about your product.
Okay, yep, so it's made in Britain, it's made in Wales and powder coated in Bristol. Comes in pre-mitered corner pieces, that's a corner
Okay.
kit.
Okay.
That comes with 2 double clamps and 2 single clamps. We also have the single length kit, which comes 1.2 meters, 16 centimeters wide, made of aluminium. We also have a third piece of kit, which is our chimney. That's
Okay.
usually 1.2, but it's just cut down for the show. And that's for anyone worried about airflow. Put it at the top of the array, and then any hot air that can build up is released out and cool air is drawn in from underneath.
Okay, so there are a number of sort of bird-proofing products on the market. What are the sort of principal benefits that you see with Solaskirt?
Well, Solaskirt primarily is to look good.
Okay.
It does the job, it keeps out pigeons, pests, but with the added extra of looking good, as you can see on that picture there.
Yeah, I mean,
sort of makes it look like it belongs on the roof.
Yeah, very smart products, yeah.
And things we found out since we've got the product, obviously people like to hide the rails and wires, but it's also got an added benefit of being a wind deflector. Windy areas, rather than it catching the wind, it actually deflects it over the panels. So that's become a little added bonus we've found.
So, I mean, I've driven past properties where these have been installed, and I have to say they do look very, very
Yes,
smart.
we're very proud of it. We've had churches that weren't able to have solar.
Okay.
The planning permission went through as soon as they used Solaskirt,
Oh, and why is that?
because it blends into the surroundings better.
I see.
It's not as obvious with the rails sticking out.
Okay.
Hides the wires, and it's enabled listed buildings to have solar.
I see. So it's looked on preferentially by the planners.
It has been so far, yeah, absolutely.
Oh, that's great. Well, that's something to bear in mind there. Right. Well, I look forward to doing our first Solaskirt job.
Yeah, and if you need any help, let us know. We offer free training, one free training. So if you want, I can send an installer down, just help you some tips and tricks and little things they've learned over the years.
That'd be great. Well, thank you very much
Nice.
indeed, Richard.
Cheers, Matthew. Thank
Cheers.
you.
Thank you.